we are gonna have a longest belch challenge. Guys, it's Queenie
and it's Candy.
We know you guys look by the title below. Today what we are gonna basically do is we are gonna have our longest belch challenge. So we have 1 liter Pepsi each, and you know this Pepsi cold, this one is hot, so she have our cup with our ice. So let's get right into it.
Anyways, I'm putting back my ring.
Alright, let's get right into it.
3 2 come start.
That you ready?
Well, I hear that girl, man. I make it dash right now.
So let's get ready.
Guys, please pray for me win. If I win, must be that thing. We're full.
Excuse me, big teeth them. I just love laugh. Well, maybe have a bun to something.
What do you make me vomit?
I'm gonna eat my bun too, guys. Cause I'm hungry.
Queenie, I'm in love. That's why it's not come out good. Yes.
I'm gonna lead.
You're coming like Kimali.
Yeah, well, if I hit now, stop. Turn down.
Oh, yeah.
Bro,
We best then just like.
alright, my turn.
We best them a jiggle now come on. Smooth. But guys, we have
Yeah, guys, so basically.
in my teeth.
You're so disgusting now. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Comment, hit that notification
tell
bell,
a friend to tell a friend.
copy link.
Yeah, guys, so basically we just a drink and belch with our business.
Good, your teeth, you know.
Are you know? Are you?
What a radam.
Now when they turn back, the belch they turn right back, guys. Eat pizza, my bun. Yeah, we have to big up wholesome for the spicy bun. Yeah, big up wholesome for the spicy bun.
Thank God. I want this here with bisco. Ciao. Yeah, you know big up. If I did ever Sprite. What's that business?
I was type of video I like.
I'm not sure nobody not touch it screen.
What
That-
is the 28? So far I can go?
Guys, you see that the bell say? She not big leaders.
Yeah.
Wait. I'm ready for that one.
Thank God. If you ever hear how the girl that gulp down the soda. No, sir.
Miss, I want that life.
No, sir.
That not make it out. God no.
So, basically, we just basically about yourself. You know?
Okay, breathe in. Then we just a bun. So that can bun people chest. Thank God. Thank God.
Thank God. Derek Vice.
You me suck dogs are so much
You're
for
very
nothing.
disgusting.
Me suck dogs so much for nothing.
Imagine how long me a drink and I hear some soda really rich.
Better come.
You know do the damage. Me still a lead.
Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Queenie, you're too hate.
Hold me teeth.
You don't feel so. You feel just simple.
No, I bet me a big one.
Hold up your mouth now, man. You go so.
Girl, you see yourself? Guys, watch Fan Dimples. If you ever see how you look for your mouth when you're belch, when you watch back in the
Me
day,
know what. Yeah, I see who you are.
you watch back in the day, go ahead. You're weird.
Idioka Marisa. Queenie, it belts na come out.
Who belch? I never probably me don't know.
So guys, me get something for boots me
Guys,
choice.
well, I must recommend this. You see, if you ever want to a video like this, use Pepsi.
Sprite.
Pepsi or Sprite. This make the belch come up right through.
So this I gonna
And
make
first me ever belch in my life. First.
this I gonna make a belch come out of my throat straight and longly. So so the nerd is here. Nerd ever winning up. So then say I'm gonna drink some of this. This is water though. Thank God.
You lose. Can I make no sense?
My little biscuit left, yeah.
Yeah, you just have force to belch them.
Yes,
if you don't feel like no belch, they don't belch.
But belch, they little belch, they sound disgusting. You feel like an ear, or you know, in your bubble water, blow the water and the bubble up. With the blow cheese straw in a cup and the bubble up. That's what they sound like, it run through some water. First bite for you. The man comes through, oh wow. Queenie, get to leave.
I don't like my carry-on.
I don't totally teeth this.
Because me with them teeth.
I don't know what me are doing like this. Anyways, that's
guys, I don't know if I chew my Pepsi Cola, but as me drink it, so me feel belch in me. As me start drinking, so honestly, fear one hot, so I don't know if that is the reason why. You know, I don't know.
Or look at the one in there.
That is, yeah man, take the ice. Show them a nice shape, good self. Yeah, turn on now. Big bumper for days. Yeah, girl. Yeah,
Not even move.
Yeah, girl. Big bumper.
Alright, Mr. Ice had a bit no sense, my girl. Yeah, hear it?
You weird?
And it's when they start him up, guys, they ain't go so.
Then I hear that. Language better than the funny thing, you know?
No. The one that feel me. Password. I'm bad.
No, sir. Guys, so wait there. What is the pan good was? What is that?
It's my, you know.
The person was?
You know. Wait. Watch your mouth.
Thank God.
Queenie. Stop.
Mine no fake, you know. A fear fake.
So then I must know that Queenie.
No.
You have to say I'm bigger than a girl. If you say I can't compete me. I don't know why me have to do all up stuff and my head have to long stuff.
And your head long your hairstyle.
Guys. Wait. That
Me win.
That wicked. That wicked.
Man, I ask if me no win. Man, I ask. Me win. Girl, you can't do one like belch. You go like I say, you can't belch. You better mind never meet up yourself. That's all I can say.
I need you that style there.
Me and Lee didn't look there. You can see the right ear, so I look how far here one day.
Tung tung Take me as a good.
Ew.
Ew. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank God.
Wow. What a nice.
Every time I bet me have to laugh, honestly. That is not funny.
Queenie, it cup full of, and you see how far me drink it go? I look how I come out, brother.
I don't know what's wrong with your Pepsi. Alright, let me try. I'm gonna try her black Pepsi and see what is really the problem.
So it was them no black. Go. Bro. You know,
Actually, I get Clyde now, guys. To be honest, actually, I get Clyde now. Honestly, you're not getting.
Girl, this a teeth needs big teeth needs. But guys, big up in the
Right now, Pepsi full my belly. I'm not ask Christ.
But guys, big up in the hot bells that I'm pulling out this video. Period. If you don't want a part 2, make sure that this gets 50 likes.
No, let's give this one like.
I get part 2 tomorrow. Tomorrow? Oh God. God no. This is the fullest. I could have belch Queenie and win me with our big belch them. Always I win with the big belch them.
Excuse me laughing. Well, me normally just love laugh. I don't know. You see my father, them call my father Smiley because my father love laugh. So basically I get it from. As me I say no, every day of my life my mother gets up, my mother say, hey, it's just like your father because my father love show him teeth them. And see me come love father, my father love show him teeth them, so me come and love show my big teeth them. Me love laugh.
Wait.
Honestly, me just love laugh.
Boy.
Where no, sir. Put it back down there.
Guys, look how this cute.
So guys, my belly full right now. I'm not telling you right now. I feel like mom puke.
Whoa.
Right now, if you tell me honest truth, I feel like mom.
Bomba. Kiss me.
We are here to wrap up. Stop now. Come kiss her. Come on, kiss your lip. Come now. So anyways, we are here to wrap up the end part of our video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. And don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Comment which other challenge you know the one we do. Comment. If you want part of this challenge, comment. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so when I post a video you can be the first to get notified. Thank you.
Follow me on TikTok, Instagram.
Guys, follow all of my social media.
My TikTok name prettiest_problem. Instagram name.
Hey, guess what?
Instagram name prettiest_problem. 4 guys will post up on my story and then
Yes, when I have an annoying little sister, this is what happened. One is a friend.
Follow her on her TikTok. Such girl 04. Such
talk that Queenie. Or you can search for such_girl 04.
Period. So we're gonna take a last glove for the last and make the last like a belch in our last.
That is it.